Here I have ESSENTIELB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, you firstly have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. Just hold your finger on it to access some of its settings. You can select the video resolution here, you can select the sound source, and you can record touch interactions. So to start recording, just tap on this button once, and after that you have to allow all of the permissions it requires, of course. And after a countdown, the recording starts. So let's record some of our screen for some recording. And if you want to stop recording, just tap on this button, and after that your recording will be saved to the gallery, to the videos screen recorder album, and here it is. So let's record some of our screen for some recording. And from here you can share, edit, or delete your recording. And that's how it's done. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.